The question asked recently is what costs the most to fix on a car? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. The most expensive things typically are things like if you have a major transmission or differential failure, or if you have a major engine failure. Those do cost a lot of money. But I'll tell you what costs our clients the most that's preventable is cooling system problems. So the radiator fluid or coolant or antifreeze or whatever you call it that's in your car protects a lot of components. It protects water pumps, heater cores, radiators, internal engine gaskets, most commonly the head gaskets. All of those things, especially the head gaskets, are a very expensive repair. And that coolant, over time, it deteriorates and it develops acids and it doesn't protect all the components as well as it should. So here's the deal. A lot of manufacturers recommend a really long period of servicing. Service it more often than recommended, and you'll help prevent some of those major expenses that a lot of our clients experience. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.